You might be tired of hearing this statement, but water is really important to our body. Old people in our neighborhood always debate about what the most essential among basic necessities is. Some say food, some say clothes, some say shelter, but many say water. In their defense, you can last for days without eating, but you can't last a day without water. Same goes with clothing and shelter. When I think about it, I can't help but to agree. If you're someone who knows a lot about fitness and diet, you know how water fasting works for many people. But if you aren't familiar with this, you might narrow your eyebrows at me, just like how my old dad did when I told him I wanted to go on a water fast. So for today's episode, we're going to talk about the benefits our body gets from drinking water with why water is so important to the body. Hi there! Looking for something fun and healthy? Come and be in your best shape with us. Welcome to Mr. Pink and Mrs. Blue, where we go on our fitness journey one step at a time. I am Mrs. Blue, here to give you another episode of Mrs. Blue Explains. You know how nerdy this channel can get. But hey, I know you're gaining a lot of fun and information. Am I right or am I right? Well, that's great to hear. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell beside it to keep you updated on how to lose weight and stay healthy along the way. If you're ready, let's get started. Number 1. Water helps in the formation of saliva. Have you ever felt so nervous that your mouth felt like the Sahara Desert? I hate to break it to you, but what causes your mouth to dry isn't nervousness, but dehydration. In order for our body to create saliva, it needs water, together with small amounts of electrolytes, mucus, and enzymes. Without sufficient amounts of it, we'll be having trouble in breaking down solid food and keeping our mouth healthy. Age, medication, and therapy may affect the production of our saliva, but can easily be aided by consuming more water. However, if this still doesn't help, maybe it's time to contact your doctor for a consultation. Number 2. Contributes to the regulation of body temperature. If you're someone who regularly engages in physical activities, you know how sweat cools and refreshes your body. But after a workout, it's important to replenish the fluids that came out of your body with water. If you fail to do so, your body temperature will rise, because dehydration causes reduction of electrolytes and plasma. Abnormal sweating despite adequate water consumption needs to be consulted with a doctor. Enjoying this video so far? Go ahead and give this video a like and share with your friends who need this information. Remind them to drink water regularly. Number 3. Protects our body as a whole. Discomfort during physical activity is quite a bummer. Drinking water will prevent this from happening by lubricating and cushioning your joints, spinal cord, as well as tissues. It also helps in the absorption of nutrients coming from food and supplements that will contribute to a longer lifespan and healthier lifestyle. Drink enough water to avoid these medical conditions: kidney stones, hypertension, exercise-induced asthma, constipation, and urinary tract infection. Number 4. Helps your body to excrete waste. We all know that our bodies cleanse itself by sweating, urination, and defecation. And all of these need water. Dehydration may cause you troubles of letting out these wastes from your body, which will be harmful when not excreted. Your kidneys will be glad to inform you that they're working effectively because you're supplying them with sufficient amounts of water. Love your body by letting them absorb fluids. Number 5. Increases your energy. Metabolism is linked to water consumption. If you fail to reach your required water intake, you will eventually feel more tired after a few minutes of exercising. Your strength, power, and endurance will decrease, rendering you weak and fatigued. So, if you want to boost your energy during a workout routine, be sure to consume enough water for improved metabolism. A study showed that drinking 500 milliliters of water boosted both men's and women's metabolic rate by 30%. That will last for more than an hour. Aside from boosting your energy, metabolism also contributes to weight loss and fat burning. Now that I've mentioned that, I know you're already convinced. Number 6. Reduces constipation and promotes proper digestion. Fiber and water come hand in hand when it comes to preventing constipation. So if you're experiencing constipation despite consuming fiber-rich food, maybe you're lacking water. Ease symptoms of constipation by drinking carbonated water as well as plain water. Some people say that drinking water might be a nuisance in breaking down of solid food and effective food consumption. But no, it doesn't. In fact, it's the other way around. Drinking water contributes to a healthier digestion, hence more enjoyable eating. Who doesn't want that on their dinner table, right? Certainly not me. Number 7. Helps in blood oxygen circulation and nutrient absorption. Imagine your blood as a delivery guy, and water serves as the super efficient motorcycle that this delivery guy drives. With the use of this high-tech vehicle, he'll be able to deliver everything on time without any conflict. That's what water does to our blood circulation. Aside from oxygen, it also helps nutrients, vitamins, and minerals to properly go to the body parts that need them, contributing to improved function and overall health. Drink your water and let's deliver some goodies. Number 8. Promotes cognitive function, clear and bright skin, and improved mood. Of course, dehydration has negative effects on our mental health too. In fact, it causes poor focus, alertness, and short-term memory loss. If you're not drinking water on a regular basis, don't get confused why you keep on forgetting stuff. So, if you're taking a very important exam, so important it will dictate your future, drink some water. But not too much, we don't want you to fully occupy your gallbladder. Have you ever heard some celebrities share their skincare routine and opening up by saying, "I drink a lot of water"? If you're thinking that this is just a scheme so they won't need to share the brands they actually use, no, that's not it. It's the truth. Proper hydration helps your skin to promote collagen production, making it bright and clear, away from pimples and acne. Not only does it help in cognitive function and skin, it also helps in improving your mood. Sure, when you take a shower after feeling furious about something, negativity seems to fly away. But we're not talking about that. We're talking about water consumption that goes inside our body. So if ever you're feeling stressed, drink some water and wait for your stressors and anxiety to fade. These are the harmful effects of dehydration: brain swelling, seizures, kidney failure, coma, shock, heat stroke, and electrolyte abnormalities. In order to keep your body hydrated, make sure to consume a minimum of 15.5 cups or 125 ounces of water per day for men, or a minimum of 11.5 cups or 91 ounces of water per day for women. What did you realize after this video? Let us know in the comments below. Do you want to lose weight but don't want to count the calories? Check out Lose Weight Without Counting Calories to know how. Feel free to visit and follow our Facebook page and Instagram account, Mr. Pink and Mrs. Blue, where we share motivational quotes to help people go through their fitness journey with a positive mindset. That is all for today. Again, I am Mrs. Blue. Don't forget, walk on your fitness journey one step at a time. Mr. Pink and Mrs. Blue, your health gurus, will see you in the next one. Bye!